Hi, my name is Pilar Hernandez and I'm a board member at Urban Harvest in Houston, Texas. Today, we are at the farmers market with Good Duck Farm to talk about CSAs, or Community Support Agriculture. CSAs are a way to support our farmers paying an agreed amount of money to receive a box every week or every 2 weeks. The box contains everything from vegetables, flowers, herbs, meats, eggs, honey, and so much more. Basically, whatever the farm harvests, as the season changes, so does the offerings. When families or group of friends sign for a CSA, farmers can plan how much to plant and what to plant. And most importantly, they have money to pay for the materials like seeds, fertilizers, and more without having to take on loans. CSAs are fun. You get fresh fruit, vegetables, and more that are locally harvested, often just hours after being picked from the farm. You will also get a real sense of the growing season while supporting your local farming community. Many CSAs also include recipes and ways to connect and share ideas with farmers and other buyers. There are many CSAs that you can join. If you're interested, stop by your local farmers market. You will be joining a community of people who are not only being ecologically conscious and supporting local farmers, but also enjoying the bounty of fresh fruits and veggies all year round. For more resources on this and other topics, visit urbanharvest.org.